How chatbots really work. Simple AI explained for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to this session. Friends, as you know, today is the era of AI. AI is everywhere, in every machine, in every office, and in every profession and job. AI is becoming a necessity. If we want to keep ourselves updated according to the society, then it is necessary for every person, every human being, every child to learn the knowledge of AI, understand AI, and be able to use it in a better way. Today we are going to explore one of the most interesting and widely used applications of artificial intelligence, which is a chatbot. Before we go deeper, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever chatted with an AI that replies like a human? If yes, then you have already experienced what a chatbot is. A chatbot is a computer program that is designed to communicate with humans. It can understand questions and provide answers, just like a human assistant. Chatbots are used in many places such as websites, mobile apps, customer support systems, and even educational platforms. Now let us understand how a chatbot actually works. At the most basic level, a chatbot follows 3 simple steps. First, it takes input from the user. Second, it processes that input. And third, it generates a response. Let's start with the simplest type of chatbot, which is called a rule-based chatbot. A rule-based chatbot works on predefined rules. These rules are usually written using simple if-else conditions. For example, if the user types hello, the chatbot replies hi. If the user asks what is your name, the chatbot replies I am a chatbot. If the chatbot does not recognize the input, it responds with something like sorry, I don't understand. This type of chatbot is very easy to build and is a great starting point for beginners. However, it has some limitations. The biggest limitation is that it cannot understand variations in language. For example, if the user says hey instead of hello, the chatbot may fail to respond correctly. This happens because it only follows fixed rules and does not have the ability to learn. Now the next question is, how do we make chatbots smarter and more flexible? This is where artificial intelligence comes into the picture. AI-powered chatbots are much more advanced. Instead of depending only on fixed rules, they use technologies like natural language processing and machine learning. Natural language processing, also known as NLP, helps the chatbot understand human language. It allows the chatbot to recognize different ways of saying the same thing. For example, hi, hello, and hey can all be understood as greetings. Machine learning allows the chatbot to learn from data. Instead of being manually programmed for every possible input, the chatbot is trained on large datasets of conversations. It identifies patterns in the data and uses those patterns to generate responses. This makes the chatbot much more intelligent and flexible. Now let's talk about how an AI chatbot actually improves over time. When a chatbot is trained on data, it learns how different inputs are connected to different outputs. This process is called training. After training, the chatbot can handle new inputs and generate appropriate responses. This process is called prediction or inference. The more data the chatbot is trained on, the better it becomes at understanding and responding to users. Now let's look at some real-life applications of chatbots. Chatbots are widely used in customer support. When you visit a website and see a chat box that instantly replies to your questions, that is usually a chatbot. In e-commerce, chatbots help users find products and answer queries. In banking, they provide account information and transaction support. In education, they assist students with learning and answering questions. Chatbots save time, reduce workload, and provide instant responses to users. Now let's briefly understand how you can build a simple chatbot as a beginner. The first step is to define a set of questions and answers. For example, you can create a list of common questions like greetings or basic information. The second step is to use if-else logic to match user input with the correct response. The third step is to test your chatbot and see how it behaves with different inputs. Once you are comfortable with this basic approach, you can move towards AI-based chatbots by learning about natural language processing and machine learning. As we move into the future, chatbots are becoming more and more advanced. They are starting to understand context, emotions, and even voice. Voice assistants and conversational AI systems are growing rapidly and becoming a part of our daily lives. In the future, chatbots will become even more human-like, more accurate, and more helpful. So to summarize, today we learned that a chatbot is a program that communicates with humans. We understood how basic chatbots work using simple rules, and how AI makes chatbots smarter using technologies like NLP and machine learning. Understanding chatbots is a great starting point for anyone who wants to enter the field of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next session. If you want to understand the AI basics in easy way, subscribe this channel.